Hello kids, welcome to BrainBox. Today we will read about rhyming words. So rhyming words are words that end with the same sound. They can be spelled differently but they should end with the same sound. So going forward here you will see I have put certain questions for you, that is two rhyming words or non-rhyming words. You have to tell true or false. The first one is cat rhymes with bat. Is it true, children? Yes, it's true because they end with the same sound at in both the cases. Second is blue rhymes with pink. Is this true or false? This is false because they don't end with the same sound. Next is M-A-R-K, mark, rhymes with P-A-R-K, park. So this will be a rhyming word, mark and park. So children, the spelling can be different but it should end with the same sound. So here it is sad rhymes with mad and it is true. They end with the same sound. Next is red and bed. So in these cases you are seeing that the spelling is same but it is not necessary for two rhyming words to end with the same spelling. But it is necessary that they should end with the same sound. So here it is hat rhymes with head. So this is false. Clearly this is not ending with the same sound. Next is dog rhymes with log. So this is D-O-G and L-O-G and the sound is og. So yes, they both end with the same sound. Next is name rhymes with same. This is also true and therefore I have colored the true as purple. So wherever you see the option as purple, you can take it as that is the correct answer. So long rhymes with wrong. This is also true. Now let's go to the next question. Mouse rhymes with house. So house and house. So if you see, they end with the same spelling and they end with the same sound, but we have to focus on the sound. So this is true. Next is kite rhymes with bite. Is it true or false? Take some time and tell me. Or you can write in your notebook. Yes, this is true. Next is boat rhymes with coat. I would like you all to write it somewhere whether this is true or false. So this is true because boat and coat. Next is cake and bake. So this is very clearly ending with the same sound, ache. So the one is k and ache, cake, other is bake. Next is hair rhymes with pear. This is also a rhyming word because they end with the same sound, that is air. Next is sing rhymes with king. So if you see, this is also ending with ing sound, sing and king. So they are rhyming words. Next is try rhymes with fry. This is also having the same ending word, ending sound, sorry, not word, ending sound, and therefore they are also rhyming words. And this one is the last one, round rhymes with sound. This is also one of the rhyming words and therefore the answer is true. So we end the video here. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to BrainBox, children.